This is a must if you are looking to explore Delhi food, because this is right from where I grew up. These bhaturas are so nice and fluffy, easy to make, and a must with chole. You can either have it with my Delhi-style chole recipe or check out my home style. They're both amazing and they both give you a completely different flavor of Delhi. I'm gonna take the flour, put some of the baking powder and soda right in there, along with the semolina, a good pinch of salt. Give all that a good mix. And then here's some ghee. You can add oil as well, but ghee is just so much better for you and so much more tasty. Now, kind of like making a pie crust, if you've made that before, you want to mix it until the dough is all nice and crumbly. Not only will the ghee help make the dough really soft, but it'll also help with getting it really nice and fluffy, fragrant, and crispy when this starts to puff up. Now some yogurt goes right in there. And then start adding in some warm water. And add a splash, and then we just work. Add a splash and just work this out until you get a nice, smooth, and soft dough. Now just lightly brush with a bit of ghee or oil on each side. Now just cover it and let this ferment for about 3 to 4 hours. So now it's been about 3.5 hours, and this is what the dough looks like. Time to portion this out. Now just break off some round portions, just like that. We'll roll it out, and usually you would see bhaturas are in an oval kind of shape. You definitely can't go too thick, but then don't go too thin either, and it's okay if you don't get it right the first time. On this side here I have some ghee heating up, and you can probably see it's smoking just a slight bit. Then add this carefully to the hot ghee and then just slosh around that ghee over the bread. It will immediately start to puff up, and just keep bathing and sloshing that ghee gently over it until it's nice and puffy and you get a beautiful golden brown ghee infused bhatura. And if you did everything right, this is what you're gonna end up with. This amazingly puffed bhatura is the most amazing way to enjoy chickpeas made North Indian style. Now before you go, let me show you how you enjoy this bhatura bread the right way, the Delhi way to enjoy this. So get the air out so you don't burn yourself. A nice soft piece, some of your chickpeas, and then some onion, and a bit of that chili. This right here, just the smell of it, the colors, the look, takes me right back to Delhi. To see how to make this home-style chickpea curry, check out the link right over here.